At this time of year, lawns are really getting into their growth stride, so it's perfect for any maintenance tasks because there's plenty of time ahead in the growing season. Thatch is something that many lawns get over time. It's a build-up of vegetative matter, lawn clippings and the like, that sits just under the soil's surface, making the lawn spongy, and mowing becomes difficult and uneven, and the thatch layer blocks air, water and nutrients from getting into the soil, resulting in a poor soil and a poor lawn. But it's not that hard to fix, and now is a good time to do it. You can hire a scarifying machine which removes the thatch, and then you rake it all up, and there'll be a lot to get rid of. It's at this stage that many go into a state of shock because your lawn looks half dead. But don't panic. Follow up immediately with fertilising and regular watering, and your lawn will soon recover. But the timing is really important. It's got to be right. Late spring, early summer, and the soil temperature has to be 15 degrees or more. You can buy a soil thermometer if you need to. Another way of doing this is to mow really low and gather up all the dead nasties in the catcher. Compacted areas caused by heavy use and wear and tear will also block air, water and nutrients from entering the soil. Your lawn will die off and the weeds will set in. Now this can be fixed by aerating. Small areas like this, you can use a garden fork, or you can hire a coring machine. Rake up all the cores and then follow up with a sandy top dressing mix. And if it's the right time of year, fertilise and water. What your lawn loves to keep it lush, green and healthy, with the inner strength, power and mental focus to fight off pests and diseases, and all-round lawn acumen, is a balance of slow and quick release nutrients and elements, organics, beneficial soil microbes, and the wonders of seaweed with all its health benefits and root stimulation. As luck would have it, all of those beauties are contained in this bag, and it even comes with instructions. For best results, apply at the beginning of spring, every 6 weeks, right through to the end of autumn. And remember, always water in immediately after application.